Well, this is very amazing today. On the 20th of March 2023, we have Porintie, modernized and 2 sticky sage. We're starting from the last one, and this residential building has 8 staircases from H to A. We'll go here. And this was built in 1958, turning 65 years old this year, 2023, and it's in stage 75 to 7, with 8 floors. But this is a tiny one, for only 2 persons, 160 grams. We're special 8 floors, and this is small.
Yeah.
Expected this year, 2023, so deserves 3 rides. Hopefully we can do 3 rides in each of the staircases here.
Yeah.
It's also here in Munkkivuori, Munkkivuori, not far from modernized here in Helsinki, and Finland. But I wonder how they could make it this tiny for only 2 persons and 8 floors.
Yeah.
That's like maybe a budget or something. It's probably a question of a budget.
Yeah.
Maybe it was more of a question of space.
Tittback-device, but not maintained by Spanish.
Although it's very rare still. Like 8 floors and 2 persons is so rare.
Yeah.
It's very likely to be the beginning of 1958 because it has these older type of handrails.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, I must, yes.
Well, we need to see in the other cabs in this house where if the lights are the same or if it's changed, because maybe it was changed in the 1970s or something. So I don't think it's original, but still amazing. Because it should still have had the, you know, with the patterns of the 5 dots.
Yeah.
It just doesn't have it.
Yeah.
And if they are the same, maybe this could even be a detail from the pre and P6 before the P6 came.
Yeah.
This could be also dated, but we'll have to see it. So
That's
and thank you.